of electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiations, let me brush it up for you. X-rays, UV rays, gamma rays, infrared rays, light rays, all these are electromagnetic radiations. So electromagnetic radiations have certain properties. As these are waves, they have properties of waves. What properties does wave have? Frequency, amplitude, wave number, wavelength, time period, speed. All right. So we are going to study about these in this page. So in starting from wavelength. So as the name suggests, length of wave is called wavelength. To put it in one line, length of wave is called wavelength. All right. So in technical terms, what we call wavelength? The distance traveled by one wave. One wave, let I'll show you. One wave is like that. One wave like this. So distance traveled is this. So distance traveled by one wave is called as wavelength. Now, either you can say the distance traveled by this one wave like that, or you can say these peak points. These peak points are called as crest. These peak points are called as crest. The distance between two crest, consecutive crest. The distance between two consecutive crests is known as wavelength and represented by lambda. Or the distance between two consecutive trough. Trough are these bottom points. This one is trough. These are called as trough. So distance between two trough or two crest is known as wavelength lambda. Alright. So distance traveled by one wave or distance between two consecutive crest or distance between two consecutive trough is known as wavelength and we represent it by lambda. Alright. So you get an idea about lambda. Next point is frequency. What is frequency? Frequency is number of waves in 1 second, or you can put it in another terms as number of oscillations per second is known as frequency. Alright. So number of oscillations per second is frequency. Velocity of all electromagnetic waves is same. Very easy thing, right? All electromagnetic waves, be it X-rays, UV rays, gamma rays, visible light, yellow, blue, orange, any color of light, infrared waves, all have same speed. That's interesting, right? That's very interesting. Speed of all electromagnetic radiations is represented by small c. The speed of all electromagnetic radiation is represented by small c and the value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So that is speed of X-rays, UV rays, gamma rays, infrared rays, radio waves, microwaves all have this speed. So always remember this speed, right? And the next is wave number. Wave number is represented by nu bar as frequency is represented by nu. Symbol of frequency is nu. Symbol of wavelength is lambda. Symbol of frequency is nu. You can call it as any W. Any W you could say, right? So that is bent V. That is nu. And wave number is represented by nu bar and that is 1 by lambda. That is number of waves passing per unit length. Number of waves passing per unit length is called as wave number. And the amplitude, what is amplitude? Amplitude is this value. Amplitude is this value. The distance of the peak, any of the sides, either on the positive side or on the negative side. The distance of the peak is known as amplitude. Then the last point is time period and that is very simple. As you know, time period is time taken to cover a single wave or time taken during one oscillation is known as time period. That's it.